Question is that a ball is projected angle theta, another ball is projected from the same point at 90 minus theta. Let the height of first ball be h2 and second ball be h1. The second ball rises 50 meter higher than the first ball. Initial speed is given, and given that h1 minus h2 is equal to 50 according to question. Now the formula of height is u square sine square theta upon 2g. So h1 would be u square sine square theta upon 2g, and h2 would be equal to u square sine square 90 minus theta upon 2g. Now we have to put our values in the equation. H1 minus h2 is equal to 50. So u square sine square theta upon 2g minus u square sine square 90 minus theta upon 2g is equal to 50. Now in trigonometry you also know a very important concept that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta according to the first quadrant. Now u square upon 2g would come common. Sin square theta minus cos square theta would be 50. Sin square minus cos square is equal to 50 into 2g upon u square. Now we have to put down the values, and our answer would come out to be 0.63. Now sin square minus cos square theta is equal to 0.63. Also we know a very important property of trigonometry that sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now we will eliminate both these equations. Put it as 1 and it as second. Add both the equations. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square minus cos square theta is equal to 0.63, and cos square would cut each other. 2 sin square theta would be 163. Now in h1 is equal to u square sin square theta upon 2g. If I multiply and divide 2, then would it affect the equation as 2 upon 2 is equal to 1? This is only to make the question easy, unless you can also divide 2 by 1.63 and find out the value of sin theta. But now we have to simply put the 1.63 value. Now h is equal to 39.2 into 39.2 into 1.63, as 2 sin square theta is equal to 1.63, which we have proved above. Now upon 2 into 9.8 into 2, answer would be 64 meter approx. So now height second would be 64 minus 50 is equal to 14 meter. Sometimes due to different methods, answer also differ by some decimal points, so it's not a task of worry. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.